Today I'll be doing some live trading session on the pound pairs, especially the Pound NZD, and I will do my best also to include the gold as well, since actually these pairs can give us a lot of profits, including of course the Euro NZD as well. Now, of course, for everyone who is watching me for the first time or for the new subscribers and joiners to the channel, please, my friends, proceed to go to my channel right here on YouTube and make sure you click on the playlists. And after that, you will find this playlist right here, Forex Scalping Strategies. I have categorized here some of the most important videos. I'm not done yet actually. I just put 4 videos only where I have actually explained my strategy in brief. You have to watch these first two videos right here to understand the strategy I'm about to use in this video. It will be very helpful for you, and it's going to give you a lot of informations, and you will find it very informative. Anyway, let's now proceed and let's see what are the opportunities waiting for us on the Pound NZD. Right now on the Pound NZD, I am on the 15-minute time frame. First of all, let me just switch to the 4-hour time frame just to make sure that I can actually sell right here. Now actually selling here is not really an option. Why? Because the price action here is showing that the pair seems like it's going to make a bullish reversal at the moment. So most likely the Pound NZD right now is going to continue to rise till it reaches this previous support. It actually has a potential to reach this previous support right here. Therefore, I will be looking only for buy orders for the Pound NZD. Now, go back to the 15-minute time frame. Now, on the 15-minute time frame, we need to highlight the support levels, the strongest support levels that we can see right here. Actually, right here, as you can see, my friends, this was actually a strong support level, which has recently became actually a new resistance level. Now, it seems like the market has actually been able to break out from that level of a resistance, and now we can expect from this support level to be respected again and keeping its position again as a support. Let me just do one more confirmation by using the Fibonacci retracement, just to make sure. Right now we are, yes, the market has reversed from 61.8, and right now it's actually trying again to break out of that level. This candle seems to be bullish, and on the 4-hour time frame, the market seems bullish as well. So therefore, I'm going to place a buy order right now. Perfect. And please pay attention to the perfect entry I had, because I'm using IC markets, which I really recommend as your best option for a broker, especially if you're a scalper like me. IC markets is always the best option if you want to do scalping on Forex, of course. And I would like to appreciate your support to the channel if you use the link in the link provided in the description below this video to open an account in IC markets and give it a try. Anyway, the reason again I opened this trade right here on the buy order, for the buy I mean, is because we're having right here a support level, which seems like the market has actually made the breakout of that previous the resistance. So that support level seems like it's going to keep its position again as a support. And of course, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market seems like it's going to be a bullish one. This price action right here, especially after seeing this pin bar right here, it seems like the market is going to be a bullish. Therefore, I place the buy order. Now, the first thing you always do is setting your stop loss. Now, since I'm actually aiming to make 20 pips from this trade, since I'm going to use the 20 pips a day strategy, therefore, my target from this trade should be about 20 pips only. And therefore, I'm going to make the stop loss exactly as 20 pips as well. So therefore, my stop loss is 20 pips and my take profit level is 20 pips as well. And I'm expecting to make about $200 from this trade. Actually, that's a lot. I'm going to close this trade actually if I made $100 or 150. That will be fine for me. I'm a person who actually looking at the profits made. I don't look at the pips. I mean, I never risk losing a trade just because I'm hungry for a few more pips. Once I see that the profit right here has reached actually like 90 or 100 or $120, I'm going to immediately close the trade and secure my profit. I just want, actually this is a good profit for me. If I open between 7 to 10 trades per day, that will be fantastic, and I will be actually making a very good money from this plan. So anyway, Now the trade has been opened, and seems like this support level is indeed being respected. So let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And check this out, we have made $100 from this trade. The market has went for about 11 pips and still is going in the profit. Actually $107 is really good profit for me from one trade. 98, I was going to close it with 120. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I'm happy with this profit. I'm very happy to make $100 in almost no time. I mean, I love Forex. I just really love Forex. That's the beautiful thing about Forex, that you can make these profits very quickly if you have the enough knowledge. And by the way, I need to continue something here. I need to tell you something. Now, as you can see, we have placed the buy order right here because we saw this bullish breakout candle, and we said that this support level is going to keep its position again as a support, right? Then someone will come to me. He will say, Salah, what about this candle right here? This was a strong bullish candle as well, and the market has seems like it has actually respected this level right here. Then why didn't the market continue the rise from here? If I placed a buy order right from here, I would have lost money instead of making it. The answer is simple, because actually, my friends, we have referred to the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, this pattern right here on the 50-minute time frame, this pattern right here, actually at the time it has appeared, the market actually was like this. There was actually no symptom or no signal, no sign for a bullish reversal. This pin bar right here, it wasn't made yet, so actually there was no signal for a bullish reversal, so we could have easily fallen to that one. Therefore, that pin bar right here on the 4-hour time frame is what I have referred to take my decision that this is going to be a bullish market. So okay, just a moment please, my friends. All right, I'm back. So let's see now what are the other options that we have. So let me just go to the pound CAD. On the pound CAD, actually there is nothing. Okay, let me just see. On the pound CAD, we can see that the market no, I don't see anything good right here. I have to explain to you why I didn't see anything here. So let me just tell you something. I wanted to tell you that the market seems like it has actually made the breakout from that support level, and right now it's becoming a new resistance. But I noticed later that the market actually has reversed from this support right here as well. So right now we are having here a support number 1, and right here support number 2, which means the pound CAD has a potential to continue the rise till it reaches 1.69465. Therefore, looking for a sell order right here is not ideal. The market doesn't seem like it's going to fall. Also, I don't want to place buy order right here right now, because there is a chance also that the market eventually can fall. And my philosophy in Forex is always look for the trusted setups. Don't look for any setup that it might work. Let me just pray that it will work. I really hope it works. I'm praying for it to work. I don't want to do this. We are not playing here. We are making money, and this is serious business. So we have to make sure that we are entering only the very trusted setups. So to save your time, let me just okay, that seems promising. Right here we're having a very good setup. It seems like here a resistance level, and seems like the market right now, after showing this strong bearish momentum, it seems like this resistance level must keep its position again as a resistance, and seems like it really does. So let me just do something here. All right, so let me just now move to the 15-minute time frame so I can see it more clear. Now this is on the 15-minute time frame. Let me just scroll more to the left to see the resistance on the left side. Fantastic, that's actually a very good level. That's actually a very good entry, and we are having right here resistance zone, and the resistance zone seems like has been respected. Go back to the 4-hour time frame, confirm. Now what we will do is simply placing the sell order right if I notice that this candle continuing the rise right here for another 3 pips. I think I'm going to place the sell order right now. Perfect, perfect. Immediately we're in profit. Immediately, my friends, look at that. Check that out. I love it. I love it. I really love when I'm opening the trade and immediately in the profit. Fantastic. And I love it more when it's happening live in front of everyone. Okay, so I made the target as 20 pips exactly at the nearest support to my entry because I placed my trade at that resistance level, and the target should be of course at the nearest support or resistance to my entry, and this is of course the nearest support to my entry. Now I need to make the same exactly as my stop loss just in case if the market decided to go against my direction. And again, we are still falling in the profit. We are just drowning in profits. Fantastic. I love it. I love it. Go back to the 4-hour time frame just to show you the setup, my friends. Always make sure that once you see the market in a bearish momentum like that and you see this bearish breakout candle, the resistance right here must keep its position again as a resistance. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And again we are in the profit, my friends. $140. I'm going to take it, and perfect, fantastic. Today is good. Today is perfect. Today is perfect. With the right analysis, with the good reading of the market, you can actually make good profits. Only select the most trusted setups. Actually, I'm very happy for the profits I have made. It was definitely good, and that was really good amount for me. Usually I just accept, as I said before, between 70, 80, $100, but leave it to 140 actually. Let's be honest, I was away from the screen, and when I looked, it was actually 72 and 75. When I just did something else and looked back at the screen, I saw it 140 and decided let's record and let me just cancel it, or sorry, close it right now with a profit. All right, fantastic. Everything is going well so far. Look at the Pound NZD. Look at the Pound NZD. I told you with the good analysis, you can really read this market to understand how it's actually going to act. I mean, there was actually, how can I say that? It was really obvious that the Pound NZD is never going to be bullish, and therefore I'm so thankful that my first trade was to the buy order. I told you, my friends, the market has a potential to reach this previous support right here. Now, someone might tell me, all right, since the market has reached this previous support level, why don't you assume that the market right now might create a bearish reversal at the creation of resistance number 1? The answer is resistance number 1 is already there. This wick right here actually represents resistance number 1. Right now, the market actually on the creation of a resistance number 2 on the second attempt of the resistance. But however, this bullish movement seems very strong, and I don't think it's wise at all to even think about selling the Pound NZD at the moment. We only have to look for a buy order for the Pound NZD, but however, I'm also not going for it. Pound AUD. We actually have missed a golden opportunity also for the Pound AUD. As you can see, we had right here a previous support level on the 4-hour time frame, and this support level has actually been respected again, and as you can see, the market has reversed exactly at that level of a support. Therefore, this setup is wasted and we can't really use it. Let me check the gold. Actually, for the gold, we don't really need to look at the 4-hour time frame. It's enough to look at the 50-minute or even the 5 minutes. Even 1 minute, by the way, which I prefer actually. But however, now the market is moving in high volatility, and it's not smart at all to trade gold with the high volatility. I have already made a strategy about trading the gold, and there are specific times that you can actually use the strategy. In Dubai time, it's between 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Dubai time. GMT time is actually, I would say, 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. These are the only valid times to apply the strategy. And in evening, at evening, almost the same. Just switch between a.m. and p.m. That's it. To be honest, that is the perfect times to use the scalping on gold. However, right now, I'm on the, let me just go back to the 4-hour time frame and let's see what we can do. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you the next time I open the next trade. I'm just looking, my friends, actually to find any valid setup. So far, nothing. Let me know, please pause the recording and I'll be back to you shortly. All right, now we are we are actually having some really good setup, as we can see right here on the Pound AUD again, as you can see, the market now has actually went down again, retesting that previous level of a support. That's a very strong support zone right here, my friends. Actually, I'm on the 1 hour time frame, keep that in mind. So actually, as we can see right here, the market right now has actually made the bullish breakout from that previous support level, and notice that the market has actually never become a resistance at this level. Right now, we can see right here that the market has created this candle right here, which indicates actually pressure from both the buyers and the sellers. But anyway, I believe the winner is going to be for the buyers, and therefore that resistance can never be simply ignored. And as we can see, it's only for 16 pips. I'm going to place the buy order right now. Perfect. Perfect. Now, let me just first of all set the stop loss first. What's the reason that we always have to set the stop loss first? It's because maybe right after opening the trade, the market might immediately goes against our direction for any reason whatsoever. Could be the news, could be the announcement, could it be a tweet, could be some incident happened in the world, whatever, you name it. Anyway, for the take profit level, I'm going to make it actually right here at the nearest resistance to my entry. I have placed my trade exactly right here at that new support level, which was of course previously a support right here. So the nearest resistance or support to my entry is of course right here, because right here we're having a resistance, and here we are having a support, and right here a resistance, and right here a support, and so on. Therefore, I believe I have explained everything about this trade. I think it's very, very obvious that this is hopefully going to be a very profitable trade. So by the way, the take profit level is going to $236. Meanwhile, the stop loss should be $219. Anyway, let's see now what will gonna happen with this trade. So let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, so the trade is going well actually, and we are making some profits. But however, my late entry, I was actually supposed to enter right here and make about 14 pips, but sadly I made a late entry and exit now with 5 pips only. I just want to exit this trade because I don't want to keep it longer than that. A new candle has opened, my friends, and actually I think that we will be now we'll be stuck right now in this ranging market. It's going to be consolidation market right here, and therefore I decided that I just want to exit this trade with a small profit. So anyway, I think that's everything for today for the live trading session. Right now I will stop trading and I will resume trading at night time here in Dubai, and I think hopefully everything will be all right. So we have exited this, actually we have ended this session with about, if I'm not mistaken, I think $250 or $270 of profit, which is fantastic for myself. Of course, some other traders are so greedy, they are looking for thousands of dollars. For myself, I'm very happy to finish like 30 minutes of trading with about $270. That's actually a good amount for me, and tonight hopefully I will make this account to reach at least $3,000. And I really hope by this week I will make another live trading session, since it's going of course to refresh our memories and hopefully revive the channel. So in the end, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.